Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to find quest log. In the beginning, let's go to menu and go to journal. In first category we've got quests. Here are the main quests. You can track them or untrack them. Lower we've got intel. Here we've got all informations we gathered in the world, thanks to which we can get some treasures or more informations, how to find experts, etc. There are more categories to unlock further in the game. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.